So this is the file that you've shared with me. Um, I'll just go into this mode and I'll just split this tab into shader editor and this. Now, what you want, what you are trying to achieve, actually, it is very, very simple because the files you've shared with me, it turns out that you downloaded it from somewhere, and whoever uploaded the models, they have already given you the uh, texture map. Okay, so I'll show you something. So what you have done here is, one second, let me switch on the, uh, okay, let me switch on the, so you will be able to see the keys that I'll be pressing. So coming back to our topic, uh, so what you are trying to do is you're trying to achieve uh, that frosted look. It is not actually frosted, it is condensation of water because of the cold liquid inside. Anyways, so what you're trying to achieve is with this noise, it is achievable, but there's no need to do all this. Instead of this, what you are going to do, I'm just going to remove these nodes. So now we are left with this only. Okay. So let me move on to the cycles render view. I'll just set it into objects, and then I'll move on to show you how it's done. So currently it looks like this. We don't have any lighting, so I'm going to load the this. Okay. So currently this looks like this. One thing that I feel should be done is it's not about texturing. This is a little jagged. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a subdivision surface modifier on this. So now you can compare. This looks much better now. Okay, so coming back to our topic of how to get the texture. So if you see the zip file that you provided, in that we had this folder. In that folder we had this lemonade set texture folder. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for jug mask and jug normal. Just drag and drop here. Okay, and I'll move this. Okay, so this jug mask is going to go into the roughness. So instantly you will be able to see some difference. So now it looks a bit frosted. Still, you're not able to see the water droplets. So for water droplets, we are going to use the normal map. So just search for normal map and just add this. And as soon as you add this normal map, you'll be able to see the frosting. Now this looks frosted, but the reference that you've shown is that the glass should be totally transparent except for the fluid part. Okay, so for that, what you're going to do is, now the problem here is the mask is inverted. White part will be totally rough, whereas the black parts are going to be reflective, whereas we want it inverse. So what we are going to do is just search for an invert node and just put it here, and you'll get this result. So one more thing I forgot to mention is you can see that this looks a bit black. This looks a bit dark. The reason for that is the normal map that we have applied is the intensity is a bit too high. The strength is high. So if we reduce it to, I don't know, zero point 0.2, it should be working totally fine and the frosting should be there. So that is one thing. So this is for the glass. Now for the lemonade, also you'll have to reduce it to zero point 0.2. Okay. Now if we unhide everything and view it, so this looks exactly what you were trying to achieve. So I hope this was helpful to you.